Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the second week of online lectures for treaty relations, which also happens to be the second last week of the semester with respect to this course. Today, I'm going to, I posted on CMS for you a PowerPoint dealing with self-governance from an historical point of view. In that regard, I'm actually not going to give you a lecture that basically puts the PowerPoint up on the screen and talk about the slides as are presented in the PowerPoint, because what I've tried to do for you is give you PowerPoint that is pretty much very self-explanatory regarding its content. Having said that, it's also very important for you to read what I've posted on CMS for you for this week. So I'm sharing that with you now. So this is what you'll see on CMS. So there are a number of articles here that have relevance to this issue. There's a news item piece. And then I've given you a Quebec Superior Court of decision called Connolly and Woolrich, which is in your PowerPoint. And likewise, there is a later decision of the Supreme Court of Canada in Regina and Pamajawan that's in your PowerPoint as well. So what I would ask you to do is to please review the PowerPoint at your own, on your own time, basically. What you will see again is I've given you this decision of Connolly. It's a very interesting historical decision on the difference between a traditional marriage between a fur trader and a Cree woman who was Métis, and compare that to the position of their marriage at English law. The decision is at the time of Canadian Confederation in 1867. The PowerPoint also talks about the position of the Assembly of First Nations on Indigenous sovereignty. I've given you some references to self-governance within the context of modern treaties. We talked about that last day. And lastly, there's a short segment on the creation of Nunavut in the 1990s, which is the most recently created territory in Canada. And it's basically an Indigenous territory that operates within the terms of a territorial government. Okay, so I'm going to basically leave that with you. Shortly, I'll be sending out the Google form for your attendance. So once you have done the readings and you reviewed the PowerPoint, then and you can watch this, of course, then please return the Google form to me and you will get a 10 out of 10 for participation. For Thursday's class, it'll be the more traditional lecture. So I'll be giving you a lecture and going through the PowerPoint with you. And then next week, we'll be doing the group presentations. So that you have the 7 groups. You all belong to a group and you have a Supreme Court of Canada decision that has been very important in the evolution of the law relating to treaty relations. So I'll talk about more of that on Thursday, and then we'll go through the process for how the group presentations are going to work and how they're going to be marked and what have you. I've already sent you an email in that regard. All right, guys, so listen, thank you very much for today. Please return the Google form to me when you get a chance. And there we go. Thank you.